The menu bar across the top offers some useful tools. If you need to narrow your search down further, use the Filter tab to search by engineer, criteria, or operation. Then, select the jobs with the checkbox on the left and apply functions from the tabs at the top. This nifty batch issue option allows you to select multiple unissued jobs and issue them in bulk. Choose one or more engineers, then issue the jobs. When you have multiple jobs for the same site, it's a good idea to merge them into one. Select them and click Merge. Only issued and unissued jobs can be merged. When you do this, the data from the newest job will be used. This means that the task details of each job will remain the same, but information such as the job level charge code and order reference will be lost and replaced with the newer job's details. You have a chance to undo this merge, but after that, it's permanent. Bulk Cancel does exactly what it says on the tin. Simply select the jobs you no longer want in the system, click Bulk Cancel, and they will be removed.